morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Benedick L. Dalipe from grade 10 section Arellano. Today, I'm going to discuss about how to be a responsible person for light dimmer. First, let's talk about light dimmer. What is light dimmer? Light dimmer are devices that are connected to the light fixture to reduce or adjust the brightness of the light. Now let's go back to my topic and let's start to talk about how to become a responsible person for light dimmer. Do not troubleshoot a light dimmer unless you have found the problem or the fault of the light dimmer. Second, consider the voltage measurement first before removing it for testing. Third, in high-power handling circuit, a defective components might also harm other components to become malfunction or unusable. Fourth, do not replace the open fuse and burn resistor unless you have corrected the trouble of the fuse and resistor. Fifth, use soldering iron with a proper power rating to avoid or prevent the components in the circuit board from being overheated and damaged. It is also important that there is a person responsible for checking and inspecting the defect and the damage before receiving it, so that you can ask the customer for repair, and also ask for replacement to those components that the technician found defective. In this topic, there are three major rules. The first rule called the manager. It's responsible for planning, directing, overseeing the operator, and the financial health of the units inside of your organization. To be a good manager, you need the skills that are listed. The second role is called supervisor, a person who supervises a person or an activity, also known as foreman, boss, oversees, facilitator, monitor, area coordinator. A low-level management, a position that is primarily based on authority over a worker or in charge of a workplace. The supervisor is anyone who oversees and manages a team or individual, is to ensure that they are performing efficiently and satisfied in their job. Here are the list of the roles and responsibility of the supervisor. And the third role called technician, a person who is skilled in mechanical or industrial techniques, or in particular in a technical field. The following procedures are done by technician. And that's all for my discussion about responsible person for light dimmer.